Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to find out whether Mailchimp is worth it in 2026 based on its features, ease of use, support, and pricing. Mailchimp is still one of the most well-known email marketing platforms, and it offers a clean and beginner-friendly interface. Setting up campaigns is fairly simple, and the email editor is smooth, with plenty of modern templates and design options. It also provides strong integration support, allowing you to connect with tools like Shopify, WordPress, and many other popular platforms. However, when you go deeper into the platform, some limitations start to appear. The navigation can feel a bit confusing, especially when trying to find advanced features like automations. While Mailchimp does offer powerful automation tools, they are not available on the free plan, which limits beginners quite a lot. In terms of features, Mailchimp performs well in areas like segmentation, reporting, and deliverability. You can track performance, conversions, and audience engagement quite effectively. But there are downsides too, such as paying for inactive or unsubscribed contacts, which can make long-term use expensive. Customer support is another weak point. Live chat and phone support are limited to higher-tier plans, and response times are often slower compared to competitors. While the knowledge base is helpful, it may not be enough when you need urgent assistance. The biggest concern is pricing. Mailchimp starts with a limited free plan and quickly becomes expensive as your contact list grows. Many users feel that they are paying more for fewer features compared to other modern email marketing tools. Mailchimp is still a solid platform for large businesses, users who need strong integrations, teams focused on reporting and analytics. But it is not ideal for budget-conscious users, beginners needing full automation on free plans, users with large contact lists who want cost efficiency. A user is referring to the CVS pharmacy in Pasadena on Es Arroyo, located near Trader Joe's. They mentioned receiving an RSV vaccine there immediately, which they appreciated, along with the helpful and experienced staff who administered it professionally. However, the user faced issues when trying to get a typhoid vaccine, as it was out of stock and later backordered without clear communication. Mailchimp is still powerful in 2026, but it's no longer the best value option. It works well for established businesses, but many users may find better features and pricing with alternative email marketing tools. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.